Hello and welcome back to World War II history and reenacting. All of you seem to enjoy the previous packing for event videos, so here is another one for y'all. This is what I packed for last weekend's field event / photo shoot, portraying SS Panzergrenadier Regiment Norge, part of Division Nordland in Narva, spring 1944. My at the front M40 field blouse with the rank of SS Unterscharführer, at the front spork, original period correct wooden toothbrush from fgm44.com. Please go check him out. Reproduction small bandage, clothing brush. At the front Solbuch, it has seen better days. Reproduction matches from my good friend Fritz from Germany. And my original period cigarette case. All of this I will carry in my tunic pockets. Thick woolen socks, my Berger jackboots, original M35 shell with SMW Type 1 cover in 1/2 overprint, M43 trousers from at the front with Hercules suspenders from somewhere else. At the front made texeled M40 side cap with added metal skull and piping. Early brown service shirt without pockets from Gavin. I'm also bringing my 1937 Kodak Retina 2 Type 142. This is not the correct case, but it works. I will probably carry this in my tunic pocket as well. Underpants from Schuster. I've not decided if I'm going with this well-used palm smock from SMW or this brand new plain tree from at the front. I might take both and decide when I get there. Over to the field gear. Bringing along my original all matching numbers BNC made MP40 from 1941. MP40 pouches from Schuster, and of course filled with original mags. Enlisted men's belt made by Vincent with the European made reproduction belt buckle. Original gas mask canister with reproduction straps from Vincent. Inside I keep a roll of extra film for my camera, Nivea cream, and of course the gas mask. Original Finnish made entrenching tool and press stuff carrier from Vincent. Textile bread bag from at the front. Original canteen with reproduction straps from, yes, you guessed it, Vincent. Original mess kit with reproduction straps from Vincent. Old production oak Seltbahn from at the front and straps from you know who. Butter dish from at the front. Mouthwash, sewing kit. Private purchase or homemade Norwegian knitted gloves. All of this goes into the bread bag. In this IKEA bag, yes, I know, is my entire kit for the weekend. In the clothing bag I have all my clothes, except for smocks and socks. The socks I put inside the boots. In the helmet I put all my pocket litter, so that it doesn't get crushed. It's compact and very practical when transporting it in your car. If your gear gets wet and full of mud, you save yourself a lot of work afterwards. More time for cleaning your equipment instead of cleaning your car. I hope you enjoyed this video, and until next time, auf Wiedersehen.